Susan. Today I am participating in the crossword collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. We're on week 23 and all we have to do is use a crossword puzzle, put in a title, which I'm using Turkey Day in honor of Thanksgiving this week in the United States, and decorate around it. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. She's so talented and I love what she does. So let's get started. I've got these cute images and I got them from Graphics Fairy. And I love them. So I figured Turkey Day was appropriate. I've already got my background paper and now I just need to decide where I'm going to put everything. I love vintage images, and I wish we still wrote letters and took time to send little cards and stuff. I mean, my goodness, nowadays it's hard to afford to send anything. Everything's so expensive and we just end up emailing. So I've got these pretty leaves left over from my fall stuff, and I got them at Hobby Lobby, I believe. So I'm just gonna add these down, and it's gonna be very simple. I think I like that just the way that is. So let's see if I can replicate it once I have to lift up everything to glue down. Well, y'all finished book 4, the Harry Potter series. I'm fixing to start 5th one. I'm still reading the Lisa Gardner, and it's really good. I don't know what's going on that. I'm still watching George Gently, and I really love that show. And my husband and we finally found a series that we're interested in, and that's House. We didn't see it when it came on TV, and we have really enjoyed it. I like a series where, it's got a good plot, and it's serious, but it's a lot of funny things in it. They crack me up. So we're enjoying that. I'm glad we finally found one that we can watch together. Let's see. Like that. This is a busy week for us, being Thanksgiving week. One of my sons, bless his heart, has to work Thanksgiving. It's the first time anybody in our family has had to work on Thanksgiving. We've been blessed. I accidentally ran that off on the wrong side. But we'll just postpone dinner for a little later. And I'll be cooking all day Wednesday. It's just us now. We used to always go to my mother-in-law's, and back when my parents, because my parents passed away in the 90s, we would go to their house, go to my parents' house for breakfast and lunch, and then we'd come back to my mother-in-law's for supper, and we were always so miserable by the time the day was over after eating so much. But when my parents passed away, we just went to Jimmy, my husband's mom's, and because my father-in-law, he passed away a year after we got married, and we got married in 87. And so we just went to her house, but now it's just us our family. My 2 boys and my husband and me. But I still try to cook their favorites. My mother-in-law, thankfully, she showed me how to make candied sweet potatoes, because that's my husband, and my oldest son loves them too. Now, my youngest son doesn't care anything for sweet potatoes, but we all love them. And I love sweet potato casserole, but my husband's not so crazy about that. I know, he's a little bit strange. But I married him, so what does that say about me? And I still cannot find my regular watercolor brush. I'm sure it's lost on this place somewhere. So I will just go with this one. Okay. I'm just going to do a few splatters. And like I said, this is a really simple one. I just wanted to honor Thanksgiving this week, and so I looked through my images and I just printed these out. And now I'm going to get some black. I didn't get much gold on that middle one. So. All right. Well, I am going to call that done. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And if I don't see you again, have a wonderful Thanksgiving. So take care. And until next time, bye y'all.